Question 9. Figure 4 shows a sketch of the curve with equation x squared minus 2xy plus 3y squared equal to 50. And then part A just wants us to show that dy over dx equal to y minus x over 3y minus x. Okay, so it's just basically implicit differentiation. So let's differentiate this. X squared minus 2xy plus 3y squared equal to 50. So differentiate that. X squared will differentiate to 2x, and the negative 2 is a coefficient, doesn't change. So I will differentiate xy. So since it's x times y is a product, so we need to use the product rule. So that would be x times by the derivative of y, which is dy over dx. And then plus y times by the derivative of x, which is 1. So y times 1 is still the same. And then 3 doesn't change. And then y squared will differentiate to 2y. So times them, that would be 6. So 6y, and then y is the chain because it's not x squared, it's y squared. So y is the chain here. So we need to times by the derivative of that, which is dy dx. And then 50 just differentiate to 0 because it's a constant. So now expand it out. So we have 2x minus 2x dy over dx. And then minus 2 times y is minus 2y, and then plus 6y dy over dx equal to 0. And then divide by 2 for both sides. So that would be x minus x dy over dx minus y plus 3y dy over dx equal to 0. So now I will move all the dy over dx to one side and all the others to the other side. So that would be negative x dy over dx plus 3y dy over dx equal to plus y and minus x. That would be y minus x. So now factorize out dy over dx. So since 3y is positive, I will just put 3y for the first term and then negative x as the second term. So then the 3y minus x over, that would be y minus x over 3y minus x, which is the same as what the question wants. Okay, part A done. And then part B. The points P and Q represents points that are furthest west and the furthest east of the origin, as shown in figure 4. And then using part A, and B, find the exact coordinates of point P. Okay, so if we look at those two lines, so clearly this is a vertical line, and then the vertical lines are also only intersect P and Q once, so that would be the tangent. So that means the gradient of P is the same as the gradient of the vertical line. And then the gradient of the vertical line is infinity. So which means, so that the reason we can't divide by 0 is because if we divide by 0, it gives us infinity. So which just means the denominator is equal to 0. So just remember, vertical line means gradient infinity. Yeah. So which means the denominator is equal to 0. So just remember that. So in this case, we can just solve the simultaneous equation with 3y minus x equal to 0. And then x squared minus 2xy plus 3y squared equal to 50. To rearrange this, that would be x equal to 3y. And then we substitute in. So that would be 3y squared minus 2 times x, which is 3y, times by y plus 3y squared equal to 50. So square that will be 9y squared minus 6y squared plus 3y squared equal to 50. So 9 minus 6 is 3 plus another 3, that will be 6. So 6y squared equal to 50. So then y squared equal to 25 over 3. And then square rooted. So y should be equal to plus or minus square root of 25 over 3, which is 5 root 3 over 3. So since they want us to work out point P, And then clearly P is in the third quadrant. So both X and Y should be negative. So for point P, the Y value should be negative 5 root 3 over 3. And then X equal to 3Y. So if we times Y value by 3, clearly just negative 5 root 3. So that would be the coordinates of P. So then part B is done. And then for part C, so explain briefly how to find the coordinates of the point that is the furthest north of the original. So furthest north would be somewhere here, which means the tangent should be a horizontal line. So a horizontal line as a tangent means the gradient is equal to 0. So gradient is equal to 0. So which means the numerator should be equal to 0. So basically, y minus x is equal to 0. So all we have to do to find the furthest north point, we just have to solve the simultaneous equation, y minus x equal to 0, and then x squared minus 2xy plus 3y squared equal to 50. Then that will give us the answer. So solve the simultaneous equation. That's
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can leave some comment. And then if you find the video helpful, please like it and subscribe it. May the A star be with you.